Welcome to ACN, the Liberation TV of Ambazonia.
Say Liberia shall not cry again. Yes. I know that you have been waiting for this life since.
Pour le peuple.
Par le peuple.
Nous sommes courageux.
Nous sommes audacieux. Nous sommes rouges, blancs, bleus et or.
Connect yourself. The leader have to speak. The king of the king. The maître de maître. Connect yourself. On attend d'abord 100 personnes. With 100 people. No, attend d'abord. Attend d'abord. Let's go to 100. I want to give you one awaiting or Rocky. Rocky, one awaiting. I don't understand. Share the video. Connect yourself. I need many people as possible in this video. I need many people as possible in this video, okay? As you are sharing, let's listen for the music. Oh, picking for Southwest. The most beautiful English boys. Qu'est-ce que tu l'as fait? As I play, I defend now one for my belly. Now God na get power. Now God na get power. What did he kill you, man? Se conjugue à les personnes du porte-monnaie. La femme, la calculatrice, la plage du cerveau. On a share this video. Le grand Castro, le parrain de Willy de Paris à Paris. Eh, papa. Mon oncle maternel, le grand Castro. On a share this video. I tell you, I'm going to share this video. It'll be very important. And mon frère listen music. As you are sharing, we are listening. L'amour se conjugue à les personnes du porte-monnaie. À la place du cerveau. La télé, maison. Je veux un congé à Paris. Ouais. Mano sofa, mano sofa. Mano sofa for this world.
On a passé aussi à l'époque. Bélichon, le mignon de sang.
Qu'est-ce que tu l'as fait? Hé Jojo, tu es où Jojo? Je suis connecté.
Qu'est-ce que tu l'as fait?
Mes frères de sang. Ah ouais. On a connect this video. I need many people as possible. As you are sharing, so shall it be. We get to go to 200, 500, 1,000 people even. Because small time they want to start Mami Pima. And even leave the door. Et ça va. La musique que je joue là, c'est ma musique. J'ai le droit sur cette musique. Facebook n'a rien à foutre avec cette musique. Ça, c'est ma musique. Auteur, compositeur, Willy de Paris. Donne de l'argent, BX.
La femme, c'est comme un papillon qui se pose sur toutes les fleurs.
Make una share amour for everybody for outside there. Make una share amour for everybody for outside there.
l'épaisseur du porte-monnaie.
La femme à la calculatrice à la place du cerveau. Je veux ça. J'adore ça. Et il met 50 people. Elle m'a mis 50 shares. Eh, Zosiane. La Zozo. La Zosi. Eh, Zosiane. Ah oui. C'est le garçon le plus humble de la génération. Il y a du Big de Pabwen de la conduite maladie au moulema. Au potaba santeni à Watsande. C'est vrai, Faketosa, Nyanga boy, Sebantosa, Gada Hengada, Pronkada. Yeah, I remain 20 people. Non,
Les années 2000.
non, mais libération, on a déjà suivi ça là, mais libération. Mais libération.
C'est l'ancien Willy de Paris.
On a share.
Ah, ok.
We get 10 minutes for share, and after I'm going to start. I want to tell you something. I want to make all the black legs, all the blue legs, everybody can connect. Look, who listen the language of the man. Where did you find me? Where did you kill the woman? La seule femme réfléchie. Next. Qu'est-ce que tu l'as fait, maman? Oh non, non, non. On a cher, il même. On a cher. Hey, Dr. Amé. My brother now. Dr. Amé, my brother now. They're one of the biggest doctors we have in our society. Dr. Amé. My big brother, my friend, my uncle, my brother. La place du cerveau. Le disque d'or. On a cher. 10 share.
Je veux la moto, je veux le taxi, je veux un téléphone cellulaire.
On a called all that enemies there. On a shared our enemy there. We love you. Me, I love you too. Hey, Dr. Amé, I love you, my brother. I love you, my brother. Victor Ambeda. Là, il call Dr. Amé. Il dit, je veux la BX. Je veux de l'argent. On a share. On a invite everybody. On a invite all man. Big or small or little. On a invite everybody. As on a dit share. Mon oncle maternel Castro à Bobigny. C'est lui de Paris, donc oncle maternel. Partagez, on a share. Mon ami personnel de Bamignan. Écoutez ça. Dans la télé de la villa, elle s'en va. Écoutez ça les femmes, c'est lui de Paris. On a listé. Nyanga, Bobo. Elle s'en va. Elle t'a quitté. La femme c'est comme un papillon. Donne de l'argent dans la VX. La femme c'est comme un papillon qui se pose sur toutes les fleurs. Une femme sage. Oh non, non. Les années 2000, l'amour se conjugue à l'épaisseur du porte-monnaie. La femme à la calculatrice à la place du cerveau.
Disque d'or.
Oh non.
Disque d'or.
Mamie, la mamie, la mamie, Années 2000. Ouais, alors it's the beginning of the rhythm of the weekend. Mo lui play for corner, mo lui play for corner, mo lui play for corner. Mo lui play for corner. Let's come to seriousness, okay? Share the video. We've seen it about 100 people again. If you can make a share, you share. Let's listen for this last song. Let's listen for this last song. Let's listen for this last song. One Lily. Oh Lily. Lily, je suis à Paris. Je t'appelle tout à l'heure. Je t'appelle tout à l'heure, Lily. Je t'appelle tout à l'heure, Lily, ok? Wally on the move. The mother of Willie de Paris in United States of America. No matter how young you are, you remember mother. Una listen song. Bam bam. Les anglophones, tu les assassines. Les femmes enceintes, toi, tu les brûles. Les journalistes, tu les assassines. Les politiciens, tu les emprisonnes. Alors, dis donc, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous. Una sharam, una sharam, 300 people smothered. Nos diplômés de l'insigne, tu as divisé les Camerounais. Le tribalisme dans la patrie, 40 ans de dictature. Dis donc, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous. Dis donc, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous, pardon, libère-nous, oh, pardon, libère-nous. Yves Kemayo, le manager des managers. Oh yes. Oh yes. Le soir, les gars, ils m'ont dit this. Oh, tu dois non venir à jongler de payer ça quoi là. On a voulu tout dans les jongler. Laissez qui bagarrer na outil vampire. Ça faut d'abord na jongleur. Faut pas t'avoir pour money time. You know que bolo. Mais on va go ask Jean for bar for crédit. Il va payer à outil. Il travaille où? Il dit polo for outside. Mouna for 18 ans. Don't be a ninja à Kwarade Freye. Il doit présenter la profession du mec qui dit Pambla. Ni à l'accent sincère. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire cette jeunesse? Il vient de la jeunesse où il doit avoir du courage. Un temps pour tu vas cross désert. Il bat à toxer, je meurs où je vis. Quand il vit des calibros, Matin Macron face à face au salon d'agriculture. Napoléon Macron point for homme. Il bat à tel peuple, c'est moi qui ai libéré Kamto. Oui, c'est toi qui avais libéré Kamto. Tu es un menteur. Sapologie italienne, il est où? En Amérique. Il y a rêvé. Dans position clé. Allez, on pose. Il nous regarde pour l'eau. If you say, il nous regarde pour l'eau. Le pays appartient à ceux qui sont en haut. Ou au défaut dans nos communs. Now this is song.
Après 40 ans de pouvoir, what you want to do with this children? The only profession pour la jeunesse, la famille,
c'est la pyro. C'est moi la pyro alors.
Longtemps et longtemps encore.
Que j'y vais d'un ama. Anglophone de don't tell you say, wata na wata, you never confirm it, you will confirm anytime. Say, kokiwe no get oil, na egusi pudding. Il sait, le coquille n'a pas lui, c'est le pistache. Tu vas lire. Mais pour nous, pour 20 ans, oui, non, get bolo, mais on va attirer le combat. C'est facilement, hey, je peux les micros. Écoute la jeunesse camerounaise qui quémande dans un bar. On a souffrance. On a beaucoup. La partie là, voici la partie là. Mami oh, I pay for one mimbo. Money no day today, I go pay you tomorrow. Hey! Mami oh, I pay for one mimbo. Nyanga. Money no day today, I go pay you tomorrow. If I did lie, me what carry me go. Me what carry me go. If I did lie, me what carry me go. Me what carry me go. Le président du Sénat ici, non? Every day, dans votre institution du président de la République, sur votre institution du président de la République, dans son pays où tu vois l'institution du président de la République, pendant 7 ans, il est pour Suisse. Il faut qu'on y aille, France la poulet. Dis donc. Oba où? Oba Mba. Oba Ngoudam. Dis donc. Oba Ndoti. Share the video, Roris. Badi line me watakare mi go. Me watakare mi go. If I did lie, me watakare mi go. Oh no, me watakare mi go. Capta. Beginning from today, you must learn one for chapter for brigade anti-Sajina. But on them, they pray. Them got them. Brigade anti-Sajina for you, girl. Oh, Bobby a tremble. Bobby a tremble. Bobby a rejection. Brigade anti-Sajina. Arab boy, the Rome come a fear. Now listen to them. Chapter 1. Chapter 2. Chapter 3. And now chapter 4. Shut up there. Libenu. Okay, ça va. Okay, now let's come. Okay, now for just say now for permit to na share the video so that people can connect yourself. And I would like for wish you again a happy new year in advance. No matter how way the new year work for now, for house site, for another for Europe. No matter how the new year the can we, but we see handle them. How am I going to handle life? Okay. To make I do this video today now because now for my right and I get the right for stand for my people, for stand for those people the way they carry me. Now I see this small sort of for this age. I get the right and authority for protect them and for give them my own knowledge. Padi Asanga, I respect you very well. Padi Asanga, I like you because whether they ever listen to you, I see something good in you. Padi Asanga, I like your idea them. You get some better idea them. Make I tell you something. Don't make yourself to be a fool, okay? Don't make yourself to be a fool. I listen one of your speech them where you the one for make people that know say the guys the way they fight for ground zero, now guys that they don't run prison, they condemn a more and they fear for leave their gun for down. Now why that way they never leave their gun for down because they fear for go back to prison. Padi Asanga. Look, when they appreciate you, make you not feel say that they appreciate you now because they be fool. You feel get a point where it be good, but don't make yourself to be a fool, okay? I want to say I like some time for listening you. Because you get your point and you define your point. You get your point and you go towards your point. But at a certain point of time, I'm just looking that you are making yourself to be a big fool. Okay? Last time you come in for fool, you call me petit frère. I tell you I need to be a petit frère. I need to be a petit frère. If you don't know man, no ever call it small petit frère. Okay? When you don't know man, not call it petit frère. That's not the fair I'm going to tell you. Not ever try for make the world know say the guy the way they fight for their population. Now guy the way they don't run prison, they fear back for go for prison. Now never put their gun for down. You not get the point. You not get the point. So you want make for no say boys the way they feel protect we. Now boys the way they did now prison now they feel protect we for our English zone for our Amazonian land. You are making yourself to be a big fool there, okay? You are making yourself to be a big fool there. You the one for make the world know say the guys the way they the one who don't decide for give their life. Okay, General Ivo was a prisoner. General Ivo been a prisoner, and why that way he decide for carry gun and he decide to put the gun for down because he go back for prison. Okay, all the one the way they don't where they say they don't leave their gun them, where they don't corrupt them, where they don't come give the family friend them, where they leave their gun them. Okay, them they are prisoner them. So Padia Sanga, you must be very careful when you're talking about your own people. Not take because you want to say you like phobia. You want just begin to anything for down the boys them for down. Nobody can be good 100%. Nobody never be good 100%. Even you yourself, you not be good 100%. They don't corrupt you, even you yourself. Una want talk today say, una don't know say, Agbotabi them. How do you call that man again? Some people there for Southwest, when now they don't get new posts them, they don't get new place there for government. Now who make una get a new place for government? If you don't have it proud, say we get special statute. Who make una the proud for a special statute? Now them Bazonian fighters. Now they make una be proud today. When African corrupt the population, may they be against them. Now they're those boys them. Now they make them. Wait to do now. Food turn up talk. Something they listen to now. Say about special statute. Do you know what means special statute? Do you know what means special statute? If you not get courage for respect your own people in Padia Sanga. If you not get the courage, okay? If you not get nothing for talk, you should don't quite lock your dirty mop. So mop them the way they smell. We manage to understand them. If you come online only to insult our guys, you get no right for insult our boys them. Okay? Now na be perfect. Now na be 100% perfect. The boys they be shit on their sin, their thing quiet. They be shit on their thing quiet. They smoke they drink their mimbo, be them quiet. Now una can't provoke them. Una can't provoke them. When boys then stand up because of una, the lawyers, the teachers, the lawyers, the way they can't stand up to say no, make we leave the problem, make it finish. Now way they be beat them, drag them for inside good drunk. Okay. Now don't go corrupt some few refugees them. May they come back for their villages them. If that refugees they come back for their villages and they die, somebody have to bear the responsibility of all those people who they go corrupt for Nigeria. May they come back. Una don't run to reach Nigeria. My brother and my sister from Nigeria. Make I tell una, I love una very much. And when God will permit me the time, I will come for they can see una make una feel una brother will lead the party. Una listen me very carefully. Make I tell una something. You don't already run. So to reach a place where you feel suffer, but they never kill you. It's better for your life. It's better for your life. Because you, this mayor, where you go meet up with the organization, they come back, everything can take on smoothly. You, this mayor, who make you be mayor? Who vote you? Maybe not because of Amber, where they vote, where CPG and just put you the mayor for free. Not because of those guys them. Where they respect you not today. No one give the respect. When we the party one talk, when we talk with the party, say with the party, massa, who be that with the party? Make I tell you something. I tell you again, all my people the way they did Nigeria, you don't already run for inside bush, you reach Nigeria. Wait, make they solve the problem according. Okay, when they come back, the one wanna come back, they don't build una houses them. They don't build una houses them. All the houses they don't burn, they don't build them back. They don't build they don't build all una houses they don't burn them. No, Una can't stay for yourself, una stay inside bush. Okay, the very government where they promise una love and security. Now the mayor them, the GOs them, when they want to talk for now, they wear gun proof. Una they empty-handed. Una overlike una self. Una overlike. You too like our people. Una too like our people. Mayor. Do you can make propaganda? Go for CRTV, make some careless kind of use. Una share this video. Look at me, share them. Una they 300 something. Una share them. This video get because I go talk to this for African Nation Cup. I go talk to this for African Nation Cup today. The tournament where they take place in Cameroon. For that country. If I not talk to my people, then nobody can talk to you people. I'm the son of the people. Okay? I'm your son. Special statue. When I talk about special statue, when I forget for talk, so that I did Padia Sanga, I talk about special statue. They forget for no say the special statue can because the guys they decide for carry their AK. A lie? Now why that way probably I can't talk about special statue. Okay? Yes. The boys they be them quiet. Now the very people they go rape their girl, they're picking them. Now when they stand, all they don't stand against them. So that they hear some foolish one. So say, no, Massa, look the most dirtiest English citizen, the most dirtiest Ambazonian citizen. Now that one they call what they call it. That is the champ snake. The most dirtiest English citizen. You say he be thief. The most dirtiest Englishman. Why don't see him for this world? Munja. Munja they call him. The most dirtiest. I regret. When I see the guy, I regret why I feel be born for the same province with this kind of guy. You want to go kill Obamenda them. Now I walk that way. Way down a jungle, they don't can tell me you do them. Because Prime Minister come off for can salute important people that you can salute them. He can make video with you. Prime Minister, donkeys, stupid cowards. Come now, you can make video. The most dirtiest Englishman I've ever seen for this world. You dirty past dross. You dirty past shit. Now you can't turn up for media and they worry or send them, worry or hate them. So you feel fight. Because if you say police, they will back. If you follow Amber. If you follow Amber, you know what you mean Amber. You know what you mean Amber. You never know say you talk about Amber. You are the first Amber. But you are the Amber on the dirtiest side. Idiot. Wanja. The most dirtiest English Cameroon I never ever seen for this world. You dirty past dross. Idiot. Make I tell you something. Me I want to talk for Padia Sanga first. Because Padi, it exaggerate. I listened to some video where they say no, you know, some of these guys cannot be gone down because they get crimes the way they don't commit them, they fear for go to prison. Now you feel go for prison. Now you will go to prison because now you betray your own brother. Understand no? Now you betray your own brother. Padia Sanga, now you betray your own brother. If you don't get nothing for talk, keep your mouth shut. It will be okay for you. I'm telling you the fact. Now because you want automatically get points where you want to condemn your own family. Because some of you now they don't can pay una 10 francs them. Make una drink small gari. Una want condemn una own brother them. Because una 15 have condemn them. Okay, now make I tell you something. Una people there for Limbe, make I tell una fine. Limbe citizen. Limbe. All my brothers, my sisters, my family, my friends, my relatives. Limbe. Una be very, very careful. Because now una don't stand me like respect goes down. I dey listen them, people they talk. Anything can happen. And me, I don't want to cry again because now 4 years today, I only cry. I don't want to cry again because I can't make division for one una. Now Nation Cup did the come. They will come full now with 1,000. Make una come out come full stadium for show the whole world say everything they fine. Now una the carry una mattress for go put and play una go sleep. Même man not come and nobody start crying. I will tell una again this story. Make una listen me fine. People they come fool una. Say they go put police in all sight. They will put police in all sight. For say they can make their African Nation Cup. Make they can make their cup. After the cup don't be fine, they come out go live una. They can kick you una. Look, I make a tell something. Make a tell something. When they go ahead for this ghost stand, if you know say my brother, my friend, she don't quiet for play with you. I beg you, by God name, not be na pobia be a friend. If you did guys them, because I know say, do one, make a talk, when I excuse me, make a talk for French for 2 seconds. Not talk for French. Make a talk for French for 2 seconds. Je connais que c'est le dernier combat qui va se passer au Cameroun. Pourquoi? Parce que le gouvernement camerounais veut provoquer les gars ambazoniens. Il veut provoquer ces gars-là. Et vous connaissez quelque chose? Quand il y a un certain niveau dans la vie que quand tu es déjà dos au mur, tu es obligé de bagarrer. Vous voulez aller organiser des tournois à Limbe? Vous voulez faire comment? Vous voulez faire comment? Vous voulez que les gens sortent pour aller remplir les stades. Ok. Après, quand le tournoi finit, vous rentrez, vous laissez les gars seuls. Vous laissez la population seule. Vous les laissez seuls comme ça là. C'est ça que vous voulez faire? C'est ça que vous voulez faire avec mes frères. Vous voulez vendre mes frères gratuitement. If the police people them, they not be able to fight the Amber boys them. The army them, when they carry gun, they carry gun proof. They not be able to fight the Ambazonian forces. Now, when the one can say una the granite, they will tell us una come out. Una come out. Naturally, they can't tell una. Make propaganda say una come out, not again. Security the outside, president outside. Whose police them they outside? Una tell me. Whose police them they outside? Before the police themselves, they never protect their own self. Now una never can protect them. You want to protect now una? Una ask me this question. I know at the major video because I know say some time they go ahead for ghost town. They go say no man no come out. Someone they go and try for come out. For say tomorrow when they don't catch you, you begin cry say no, and they be know that they can't fool me. Look am. Una respect una picking them. They no one do una bat. They no one harm una. They no one harm una. But they just want for see say una the respect which way they talk and what they do am. Volume. Le volume est bon là-bas, man. The volume is nice. On entend the volume, derrière. Somebody have said volume, I don't understand. Ah, okay. Volume there. They will come fool now. Make una come out. My brother and my sisters. If you like yourself and you like your life, look am. Look am. When gun don't enter for some country, that country is not the same again. That country is not the same again. I don't come for this video and for tell all una, my brother, my son, say, una be very careful. Betrayers will come. The one can make say they like una plenty. The one can take una for play their film. The one can take una for fee their mission. When they say 1 month goes down, una stay for us. If they say month, they not come out, my brother. Maybe that month, the way if you not doing that mimbo, something will happen for you. I tell una again because the year, I beg una, I don't overcry. I beg una, I don't overcry. I don't want to cry again. I don't overcry. Et je vais dire une chose au gouvernement camerounais. Je vais vous dire une chose. La façon dont vous menez ces politiques ne va pas marcher. Vous pensez que ma population de Limbe, de Boya, vont sortir pour venir vous faire, on appelle ça comment, le premier plan, pour que le monde entier voit que tout se passe bien à Limbe et Boya. Non, ils ne vont pas sortir. Non, ils ne vont pas sortir. Vous vous trompez énormément. Et vous vous trompez énormément. Vous pensez que
Les gens vont sortir. Vous allez seulement aller à Yaoundé, à Douala, prendre vos RDPC, remplir dans les cars, comme vous faites souvent. Venir avec eux à Boya. Déjà, si quelque chose les arrive, ça ne serait pas que je vais pleurer parce que c'est des gens qui ont suivi l'argent et qui sont morts. Il n'y aura pas de deuil ici au Cameroun. Et je vais dire à tous les pays africains, voilà que les gars là ont parlé, vous faites semblant de ne pas écouter. Les gars là ont parlé, ils ont dit, il n'y aura pas de tournoi chez eux. Vous faites toujours semblant. Ok. Na piki snake bi ask mami se mami manena ou mami se comment faut ça économie anem. Una wano na name no. Una come out, una go. No massa, they be una mara amba na ude. My brother them, if you not get courage for go fight some fights, sleep for your house. People then they will go fight at your place. Okay? I don't come beg una. Look how they keep people from Muyuka like a grano them. Vous allez encore dire quoi? Que ceux qui sont morts à Muyuka là dernièrement là, c'est les ambassadeurs qui sont allés tuer. La petite fille qui était couchée sur le ventre de sa mère, c'est les ambassadeurs qui les ont tués. Now Amba boys they kill to that woman them, that picking that innocent soul them. Okay, the people they were ambas. So now any man don't be amber now. So if you military don't enter some place, just kill any man and amber them. Many actually don't quiet. We the party not get to talk. If you read the party talk, massa. It exaggerate. So when they come to say massa, may they want amber boys because we too we can be amber. You can be amber. You can be amber. You know what means to be amber? Caricature the fools. You know what means to be amber? You know what takes a man to be amber? You don't even know. You get to learn them for some book, whether they call them Bible, for know will be amber. For know how Moses do for take a population out of Egypt. You get to read the Bible to know the story. So I don't can tell now my people them. My people, wanna be very careful. The people they will come fool now again. They will come fool now again. The people they will come fool now again. I tell you, they will come fool now again. Yeah, they will come fool now again. Say when I come out, not no day again. They the fool now. For Baminda, how many police people then die? How many police people die Baminda? Where they get gone? Una day with una empty hand. They go carry some food them can like una. Make una go make una safe. Make una kill una safe for nothing. Lock your door, shut off for day. That African Nation Cup, that cup where they want can play for Cameroon. You know concern una. Understand? If una respect which way the guy they go talk, everything will be okay. And if you let una, if una not come out, they go shut down the quiet. But if una come out, the guys they will be provoked. They go feed yourself provoked, and they will come back for revenge. They will revenge. They get all the strategies and they will do it. When I leave me, I talk small, even I talk for 5 minutes for French. I give them the message, make them understand me for French, fine. Le gouvernement camerounais, vous voulez organiser le tournoi à Limbe et à Boya. Vous connaissez ce qui veut dire la provocation. Donc, vous voulez faire un peu le bras de fer, quoi. Vous voulez voir ce que les gars là peuvent faire automatiquement. Vous oubliez une chose. Un policier ne peut pas être derrière un civil. Un policier ne peut pas être derrière un civil. Vous ne pouvez pas protéger toute la population du sud-ouest et du nord-ouest. Vous ne pouvez pas. Vous ne pouvez pas les protéger tous. Vous ne pouvez pas les protéger tous. Vous allez que venir les tromper pour qu'ils viennent au stade et après, si on les tue, vous allez venir faire la télévision pour dire vraiment, I feel the pain with you. You don't feel the pain with us. After Kumba, maybe Muyuka enter inside. After Muyuka, maybe they don't kill against another one for some place. Donc, we gonna take care, my brother. I tell you, Abuna Pikin. Me Abuna Pikin. And if she done, we are not think about now. And if she done, we are not know about and talk. I just talk about Paja Sanga because Paja Sanga, I listen in speech. Now yesterday I listen some speech we make them. Inside group for Black Leg. Where they make the interview the people and say, the boys that they fight, the boys that they fear for go back to prison because they wait them for condemn them. Now I ask you say, that means say our boys the way they go protect our land. Now boys the way they come for prison. That means the time people be declared the war. All the boys that they come for fight, now prison they come out. If you say they book some prison, so make it be very careful. I like it plenty. Make it continue to protect his own ideology. But make it not make let's say because we not want accept wait people they fight for. We not get to condemn and say we not want like the Cameroon passo. Na increase on a hate. Na increase on a hate. Na increase on a hate. We not go take my population to make them be a gun proof. No. They will never be a gun proof. My population will never be a gun proof. The one the way they understand the way they listen me fine. They go listen me. They go shit down quiet. The one way they will try it. Now no, now come out. When I go see the African nation, when I go see the tournament. But what you go remain for your life now if I be sabi. Now what they tell you. Yes. Because make I tell you something. These guys them. I know say they are ready. I dey feel them for me. I dey feel them under. I dey feel them inside me. They are ready. They are ready. If you don't know, make I tell you, they are ready. They be very, very ready. You know something? They know say, if you did tournament pass fine for inside Southwest, the international community will just say after. That means now only some small kind boys and they way they worry. So they go do everything to make it whole. They go do everything. Now listen me fine. They go do everything. Because even at me, I did tell them if it been at me, I be for that place. Na chima for do. Because they called one a last fight for film. Last fight. For inside war, last fight they and now una civil and they will take and go put them in front for can't lie when I say everything is okay when I come out. I dey share for Limbe. I used to call. I say matter not to know they matter with the dream win or not to know they look una be very careful. Una be very careful. You don't know who be Amber. You don't know who be military. Now the matter that for inside Limbe on a day. So Monday, when she done for your house, you not come out, nothing no go do you. She done for your house. Tuesday come out, probably not day. But when you mail and say you want challenge people them, you go know what it mean challenge. Man way don't be wounded. A wounded lion. No play with you. Me man not lie now. This tournament no go take place for Southwest or Northwest. People will die. And I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry. I don't ever cry, massa. I don't ever cry. Things they go happen. Things they go happen to the fullest. Things they go happen, my brother. And if you lie now. Be for the play for the boy them. Say they want provoke them. No, they go decide. They go leave all these villages them. They go leave all. They will come now for Camp Charlie. They will come towards Boya and Limbe because they will everything will happen. And that will be the battlefield. And you know go life and meet yourself in the middle of a battlefield. You know go life and mingle yourself inside. Okay? Okay? It no go happen. It no go happen. Me, none of I talk, but that's why the feel I tell you now. Because I know say they go prepare. Et je ne veux pas voir le bain de sang. J'évite ça. Puisque la population n'a rien demandé pour mériter ça. Then we not ask nothing for get that result. We not ask nothing. We not ask only for live in peace. We ask only to live in peace. Quand nos gens sont sortis le 22 septembre, ils avaient les mains nues en l'air comme ça. Mais la main a tiré sur eux. La main a tiré sur les gens les mêmes nus. Ils ne connaissent pas négocier. La main ne connaît pas négocier avec les gens. Ok? Et aujourd'hui, il veut demander à la population de sortir. Mais de comment go give their chest. Mais de use and take and make ping pong. For say make the right for international community say that will happen. You know what happen? Now why I can't make the video today now for tell una say no man no go come out, no man no go come out, no man. When they go give say ghost town, una respect the ghost town. Una guys they go be okay. Una respect the beg una papa, them, mommy, them, brothers, sisters, them. Una respect the ghost town. I go put my number for you because I want for me 1 hour 30. I don't make already roughly 45 minutes. If we get another 15 minutes for someone who get even 2 people to call for give their opinion. If your opinion be good or bad, talk them. Okay? I put my number. I put my number 00 39 35 10 86 57 47. I put my number. You can call in WhatsApp. If you call for WhatsApp, that is my number. You can call me in WhatsApp. If you want call, you call for WhatsApp. Make you tell me what way you feel. What way you feel. But I don't tell Paddy Asanga. Say next time, make you not mail and say you get personal problem with the guys them. If you need to get called for fight, forget about she don't say quiet. Maybe you mail and say you have no plenty, no plenty. Nothing will be possible like this. You are dreaming. If people they dream, leave them in the dream. If you never dream with them, she don't quiet, listing your life. Okay? Now they don't can pay. Now they don't can give you a small money when I can make propaganda. Maybe people don't come out, make the tournament pass fine. When I go to for the whole West, I be tell no Martin. Nothing. Look, I don't tell. Somebody must pay for what is happening. Somebody must pay. I'm not going to use my own people to make una jollof rice. If you can call, you call. If you have the courage to call, you call. That is my number. What's up? Maybe not call him directly. What's up? Una listen to me. I don't talk for my own population for here. Una be very careful and wise. Mimbo fine. But some mimbo day way, it will make you regret for your life. Yes, because the one man life just go normal. Maybe people that know say life they go normal. Any man like life. But if me I no can tell una. Say that place will be a battlefield. That place will be a battlefield. That place will be a battlefield. I repeat them again. That place, Boya and Limbe, will be a battlefield. You should be very, very careful with your life. Very, very careful. Something is going to happen. The fool now, I know say, people, plenty of people they hungry. Where they will take some money then, they will take small chicken change then. Wait. They will no, massa. You never take chicken change, say alive. Now alive, my brother. Now alive. If you don't like your life, I'm saying not like who you be. Okay? If you don't like your life, I'm saying not like who you be. I tell you again. When I go remain for the houses them. No man will come out. Hello?
Yes, Papa Willie.
Yeah, my brother.
I dey call from America.
Yeah, I see your number. Now for you.
I dey find Papa. Which way you did talk? That the very truth way we want here. This thing we don't go on for too long. Somebody must pay. When our people they come out for September, they come out would leave them and they kill them in their numbers.
That is it.
October, they continue for kill them till today they kill them. Then the one can play whoosh tournament for our territory.
That is it.
All this party Asanga them and the rest them, whether they come, they promote these people, their agenda, will not fit accept this kind of thing again.
We'll never accept them.
Because if you say you stand for your people and you say you want peace for Cameroon, why you never push the people where they kill people, make the stuff for kill people come for table?
No, it
means the people like Party Asanga, they not get no say, they not get for talk nothing. May they leave our people alone. And our people then too, they get for no say. They defy for the greater good of their grandchildren.
That is it.
If we not succeed today, the junior ones that they come, they go succeed. And we must stand as a people for saying no to this. This is a tournament. May the carry and go for Francophone side. Nothing not going to happen for our territory. Any man will say, you know, like your life, make it go for the stadium now. Any man will say, no value the sacrifices for our generals, our picking where they don't die. Those way they just go kill for Nkot. You more jog road the other day, go move some papa for your house, shoot and kill them. From the picking them, really will not feel the accept the kind of thing. It did not go on for too long. I thank God say you don't come out and you did talk and people did listen. Papa, just continue like that.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you very much. Una no feel say no man no like peace. Me I like peace. When una want call, okay. Hello. Yes, I beg you feel first slow your that another phone. Slow your phone first, my brother.
Yes, hello?
Yes, hello. You are
you get me?
You are calling from Belgium.
Yes, from Belgium.
Yes, they listen.
Yes, yes. I want first of all appreciate your work with you do not only like activists now, but like musicians. You first will be one of the people we invited for the Mugamo fundraising for Belgium.
Thank you.
We began, we began sing our song
one day.
Yeah. So the following I show and the way we advise our boys there, to be activists of the revolution. Wait till we don't talk today. You talk like I think to say being Gambian man or be prophet. Like exactly which way it would take place. And I like the message for advise our population to they stay indoors because the days ahead will be pregnant. We talk so we talk with the we don't first show the sample and we did all site will be amber, we did all site and you don't tell them say they don't know amber not true. All we will be amber, even military be amber. So I thank you so much for taking the courage because you be one of the musicians the way you don't use your voice for preach about the problem that happen for our country. You be the first musician where you raise your voice and you stand with your people in respect of the facts of people. You don't say, but they be free support to do this, but you stand with your people. So my brother, we there for your back and we one day we go shake hand for Boya. Thank you so much, brother. Continue.
Thank you, my brother. One spirit. Now my duty, I get to damn because my heart bleed. My heart bleed. And if it remain the low, my people they die for no good reason. Hello?
Yeah, Grand Willie.
Yes, you are calling from Germany.
Yeah, thank you very much for taking my call. I want to start by congratulating you for everything you're doing.
Thank you.
You know, your message be very pregnant, and the way we pass the message to now the most interesting part because you come down to the level for we poor people who there for streets. Any man will listen to you, get something for take home.
Yeah. And
at the important part that now so person get for transmit message. So concerning the topic for today, I give you 100% right chapeau for which way you do. Because the truth now say, these people, when they're there for power, they don't give two shits about us. Whether wait till it happen, no man no give it down. Now, how many years is today where people then they die? Villages burn down. People them not even be able for boast of even 1 square meal a day. People, their activities them finished. All things beat to the ground. No man no care. When they want to organize their team, we will bring them more money after we for their coffers. After all things we they don't do and for we, they still can't use we like how we you feel put crayfish, me rat can chop.
Not true, no. Now what I see the propaganda they gonna up say make refugees they come back. Don't go get to time for the refugees them. Make they come back. Everything is okay. So that when they come, when it shows some refugees don't come back. And then the African Nation Cup take place, and then they will make the world know say nothing is no day again, unless a small boy they worry. When people they will die, now we will cry. We come off every waka.
Not true, because the other day when I see the images of that people when they come up Nigeria come back, I just ask myself, say people then they cut their head drink inside. Now which kind of thing that you don't succeed for run some situation, go for play, even if you suffer, you still be alive when already a grace on its own. You come out again, carry your two for them, can come back. What are the guarantees? They don't be back your house. They don't bring back things in the way they be there before. If things be there fine, why you run? Why you run in the first place? So that you go, they come back.
That is it.
Anyway, all I want to talk now say, me wa brother they made they be wise. They ever talk say car we no get tail. Now God they drive you fly. We don't survive all this while now by the grace of God. And we'll succeed for be what we will be by the grace of God. So we'll just continue that our own way. We don't always be marginalized. Nothing no day about Englishman for that very country where it make any sense for any man. So people they don't go take their money, they go collect their money, then they live fine. May they no fool our brothers them. May they go to die for nothing. If you want to collect your money for the do your thing and stay fine with your family, collect your money, chop and quietly. But no fool the poor picking the day for street. May they go be sacrificial lamb for una. That one it don't make any sense.
That is it.
Anyway, take much of your time.
Thank you.
I will just to the end and say thank you very much and give me title for that Yamotumbu we start from the beginning. So
no, we start to that.
You how you play and lead today so before you start talk.
Liberation.
Aha, okay.
Kumbawata.
Wait, indeed Lapiro style. I think yeah, just Lapiro.
Na liberation, liberation.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes.
Yeah, with the good work. God bless you, brother.
May bless you too.
Thank you.
Ciao, ciao. Make a tell us something. Make a tell us something. See, name na some palmarès. More take this man. Hello? Yes. How are you, my brother?
Yeah. My brother, good afternoon or good evening.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, we thank you so much for the show that we bring up. Person like Patrick Asanga, my brother, you don't get for joy to waste your energy and your voice. If you looking fine, you no say a patient. And when you see man where you don't really start no say they go for a grave. You go always the one for favor evil people, where they want for kill, so that you go need to make it join the people the winner. Those blood sucker for them all kill the others. Like what you want to tell you about this what they call an CAF African Cup of what?
Mm-hmm.
Just the talk. If person like those stars they call it a feast, some of them they like their life. Or if they don't like their life, may to feast no try say the cross. Mungo say they go do anything for Victoria or for Budia. Because some of them are target. May they know so. And any convoy, we'll talk now, we'll talk tomorrow, we'll talk any convoy, may they know say we don't get the real way we want them. Because we don't go choose any convoy where they go for Southern Cameroon. Especially if place don't dark or even for daytime. Because we want those 70 seaters them. When you really carry those foreign players, they made it lose what did it happen. Or some nation, for Togo, which it will happen Saudi. Because those Atanganji them, they want to take an advantage or make a international body know say there is nothing going on in Saudi Cameroon. You know what start there? You know what start? What you want to try to tell them say this war, we would call a war, you know what really, really start. Because some people they will come out diaspora, they will go down, they go fight. And they will remain a bush. You know what start and made the Francophones, the French Cameroon, made them to the ready because now you see right woman police in the whole taxi driver for 500 francs start them for your hand. What did the Francophone they think say the country they go to? If they don't feel free to fight for their own self, the people will go fight for them. They don't like when you do for your papa's house, you don't pick, you know, so you don't be married, you see the under and they fond of that. Will say, c'est mon père, c'est mon maison, mon père. It's my father's house. Grand frère, only for the beg that 10 franc way French people don't teach them how to beg. Go to chop burning fish. May they get up. If they don't feel get up, they don't feel liberate themselves from that mental slavery for the white people. The earlier the eye wake up, they be better. Or stop for the to say to feel they start, to feel they receive order for their property, they declare. It could be a better for them, eh? They made them know say Southern Cameroon is ungovernable, nobody. as we talk, we will still continue to put down.
Thank you, my brother.
Till that land be free.
Thank you, my brother.
Okay, thank you, boss.
Thank you. I take Cameroon. Some man there from Cameroon where they insist for call. This is Cameroon number.
Hello, Grand Willie.
Yes,
hello, Grand Willie.
Now on a prophet.
Salute for your aid.
Thank you. Now
salute for your aid. Oh, God, we did. God, it's clear. Anything we don't talk so it's clear. So any dog we want go outside. He go here, he man for outside. So the call son of Moyoka.
You be soldier?
So you know it. God Willie, just as he make the show now, made it here. Okay. Anything we want go outside, may you go outside. God Willie. Tell them, you don't tell them, don't like you. Any man we want say want go watch Nation Cup, may watch them for your house, may no go outside. If I made a battle as President Sarkozy talks, the battle, the real football between the Ambazonia and the military. As Paul Biya no one say, may we rise. The militaries themselves, they no go rise. Thank you, God Willie. I know get plenty for talk.
In one spirit, my Perika, in one spirit, may God protect you. Je vais parler aussi aux francophones. Vous ne faites pas des vidéos pour condamner. Vous ne faites pas des vidéos pour dire que ce qui va se passer à Boya et à Boya et à Limbe, vous ne voulez pas parler. Allô? Yes, my brother, now for you.
No, we did fine.
Now God, now
I appreciate you again once. To appreciate you again once more and to contribute for way I think talk am. I say all these things there, so my brother, I really be happy the way you be talking on. You focus for say may we see the truth. You know, focus for propaganda like some people them, but without outstanding. The funniest thing we did for the revolution, I say from the beginning, we become as one. Government no hear our cry. So for the fact that we don't separate today, so one in the fight now for their own pockets, one in the go of the calm down, but we still fight as liberation people then for the truth. So all those people, the way and work can make propaganda for PED, saying that they make King Kong, they will always say, because we stand for the truth. We stand for the truth. After I hear some assistants call talk say people the way they come on Nigeria, they come back under which ground? What will be their safety? That the very thing I call we and we don't try for call for talk. What will be their safety when they come back today?
Massa.
What they drop their gun then you drop their gun there for which safety? You drop your gun for Amber, can you fight? Will be the language different. You continue the fight. Nambele them. With the other people. You drop your gun to come fight for the other camp. You don't make difference. You continue the fight.
But I remember that means you be fool.
Yes, yes, you be the biggest fool because you don't stand for any direction. Be equal the way they don't leave Amber and go to fight with military. And they will leave military tomorrow. They can't fight with Amber. Yesterday, if they are made mistake, now they talk say government official then catch it, go lock up for 24th. Why they catch it, go lock up? If the revolution we don't finish. And the funniest thing is exactly for all this nothing. You Nambele, I'm really sorry for calling them, but we need to face truth for say make people that know the truth. You Nambele, you be say you be the fight for truth revolution. That Amber then betray you because they fight for their personal interest. The same time you did for La Republic, you say you stand for truth, but government officials then they fight for their interest. Finally, now you Nambele, you won't go for which direction. Finally, you way you leave Nigeria, come Cameroon, you did for which side. They don't be your house as my sister talk. They don't bring safety. You Nambele, you cannot go for you are refugee for Nigeria. People then you die, they go. You see, people like you, might not talk only you, man, not call any other person, you will understand for the truth. Whether it works for Amber land, whether Amber key Amber, Oh, military key civilian, then Amba, then full military again. Because if we check the revolution, more face through, more no support on person, more talk to more find solution. If you look for reality, military, they are for key civilian. Amba, they are for key Amba, then Amba, they are for key military. More talk through.
Yes,
because government no fit key 10 Amba, where Amba no key 7. Inside Amba.
That is
because of some, that's the gospel truth.
That is it.
But if you look, majority of the innocent people in the military kill them. Majority of them were picking, they were sister, they were brother, they were mommy, they were grandmommy. The military they kill them.
Now them know.
Amba don't kill military. The same Amba don't kill system because of the confusion and selfish interest. You know the okay, more come only to you again. More know the go farm, more know the call people that name that as it be fine. You don't give you some camp for ground say you sponsor A or B or you want to get some big name because of the revolution. You go there. If you see the way you talk now, you talk on the behalf of all the now don't use the name Southern Cameroon.
Yeah.
You talk on the everybody being a fighter or a civilian. You know the talk say A don't do, B don't do, C don't do.
No, I'm not there for that one.
Now, if you overvex me, my brother, it is really vexing us. This very thing with these people, the way they call themselves ex-combatant. Make a whole ex-combatant like no really put.
But you be ex-combatant. You be ex-combatant. You say you be ex-combatant. You don't drop your gun. She don't you quiet no. Forget about the war. Waiting now, it be they say now they don't can take now. Now you dey fight now against Amba them. Now what kind of you be who can ex-combatant? That means say you doesn't know me and no one fight me again. Now they can't catch you now. Now you can keep fighting Amba them. You be which man? You be which man?
You know the ex-combatant. You change now camp. You know the ex-combatant.
Voilà.
When you talk directly, only say you go take excuse for government. Make government give you some other ex-combatant the way they do for the other, make government give some other ex-combatant, make them go fight Amba. When you call yourself ex-combatant, the same time you talk how you go attack the combatant. Say you be ex. Let me say pidgin, you know fit talk, you don't understand pidgin, you don't understand English.
That is it.
Language you dey talk am.
That is it, my brother. Thank you very much.
French you don't understand. English you don't understand. They will just put you for a center of a thief, a foolish man, an illiterate, and a hypocrite.
That is it.
They will just put you for the center. But you don't get to a sense of direction. You see man carry belly like 5 liters. If you can go clock 10 liters, he doesn't clock half. He knows that give you sense of reasoning. The other day that the Kawa you need to go to the same thing. Ex-combatant, but at the same time, you give information for government for fight Amba. Then you call yourself X. X now say 5 place you don't. Retrieve yourself, don't be inside camp.
That is it.
Be a refugee.
That is it, my brother. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
It is there for the level way, because I believe, say, for me, I believe sorry for you, the word illiterate. The word illiterate, some people don't understand the word illiterate. I don't go to school, but I'm a mechanic. Don't call me illiterate in the section of mechanic. Call me illiterate in the section of school. Okay. You go school, but you don't go to mechanic. Don't call me, I don't call you illiterate for school, but I will call you illiterate for mechanic. But people like those ex-combatants, they are all bunch of illiterate in all the directions.
That is
mechanic, common sense, everything.
That is it. That is it. That is it.
We really need somebody like you where if you do it chance or call. Not the other I don't know how I can put that because some people in the way they don't get a post for this thing, but they call themselves revolution fighter that in one way or the other by social media, by whatsoever, what they do. But they need the opportunity to people to call this advice to give the opportunity. Now we can do for social media 24 hours. Insulting A, later on insult B, it don't happen.
I want to speak, my brother. More different man make it to you once a be. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hello?
Wow, God really sorry.
Salut, papa. Now, how for you now?
No,
Ogan Willie, my petit frère, you call from Cairo.
Yes, I see the number.
I just get my last caller in which way contribute from the show concerning Nambere. I just want please say make you forget about Nambere, which way Nambere. Nambere is a big illiterate. Let's consider him as an illiterate. I know Nambere very well. Nambere has been my school security in Southwest on Anglophone region precisely. So I know him one-on-one precisely. He is a betrayer right from the origin. I know Nambere very well. Nambere is a betrayer. It's not good to disclose my identity. I would have done it better. People like Nambere, they will never lose anything in this Anglophone crisis, no matter what they do. It does not even have anything that he one day lost on this crisis. Even a house in the Anglophone crisis, Nambere, you never heard him crying that they are born his father's house somewhere. I know Nambere very well. So let him be doing what he's doing. It will help him in one or two ways. But God is watching at him. If he was fighting for the struggle, and now he have decided to drop, to betray others, let everything in the hands of God.
Okay, Papa.
Yes, Nambere, I know him very well. He's a betrayer. Big betrayer. I know him. He's very right from school. I can remember his school habit when he was my school security in those days. He was a betrayer.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your contribution.
Yeah. I've been in this struggle from the beginning. I just left this struggle. I left Southwest, let me say, about 6 months ago. So I've experienced whatever since from the beginning.
So people
I go up from Kupema and go back.
Okay, thank you very much.
Precisely.
Okay.
Yes.
So people say talk pidgin. No, I'm going to go school for you now.
Yes. Let me talk pidgin, bro. I grew up for Kupema and precisely for me Bonji. So from the beginning of this struggle, I be there. I know which way to go on.
So we're gonna Bonji, you be a rocker?
Yes. I grew up for a Bonji. I be Bamenda boy.
Okay.
But I grew up for a Bonji. So I see all the way to I know where to start from the beginning for the struggle. I just say no fine. If you want to talk to my family in particular, my father has gone to go prison for the Anglophone crisis.
Thank you very much. More different man.
Yes, bro. Anyway, thank you very much.
Thank you. Hello? So when they call, they take you put Ben I tell you something say me, I don't know give people they make them talk now say any man fit talk in mind. They make her tell now some truths. And then my sister they call again. Hello?
Yeah, Bro Willie, sorry, sir, I come back.
Yeah, coming back, yeah.
It's very direct, they worry me, so I need for Joe talk. Man, for me, more for French.
Throw your belly, even our French, even our qu'on talk, throw your belly.
No problem. Moi, je voulais m'adresser à certains rats égarés que je vois sur le direct de Willie de Paris, là. Allez vous faire mettre ça là où vous connaissez, là, parce que, décidément, vous n'avez rien à faire de vos sales vies. Si vous n'êtes pas intéressé par le direct, quittez d'ici. Personne ne vous force de venir regarder ou quoi que ce soit. Mais venir commenter la merde sur le direct de quelqu'un, c'est un manque de respect pas possible. Alors dégagez. So, I want to add that say this. So, me personally, I stand now with civilian them. You know, say when elephant and the fight na grass, they suffer.
That's right, suffer, yeah.
Yeah. So we the grass. Would it talk say any man way he get sense may he hide the hate for play with if he hide them. I may be careful. These are trying times for all of us. So please be careful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mama. More different man. Hello? 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 Bon, je vous dis une chose. Moi, je ne suis pas là pour faire plaisir aux gens. I'm not here for please people them. I'm here for pass my message, okay? My way, if you understand this message, okay? Make you go buy some bread and egg. I'll pay the bill, okay? I not get nothing for you. When I go around with you, like that one on a problem that. I want to say, when I not go use people them, take Oh merde. Oui, allô? 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 Allô?
Hello?
Oui, hello. Who is on the line? Oh là là. Non, quand contre you, they will. Eh? Allô? Allô? Bon, I don't know. Il y a un problème. Il y a un problème de connexion. Il y a un problème de connexion. On a fait des qui. Now, that's nothing. Not a matter of quarrel. On a not kind of quarrel pour them. Que vous écrivez quoi que vous écrivez, que vous dites quoi que vous disiez, vous ne voulez pas vous mettre debout pour parler. Pour ce qui va se passer au sud-ouest et au nord-ouest. Mais, il y a beaucoup d'entre vous qui pouvez parler. Donnez votre voix. Vous pensez que ça serait facile? Vous pensez que ça va se passer comme vous pensez dans votre tête? When I say go pass out, when I imagine of my head, everything will just pass that smoothly. I'm saying they just can play because they don't put arm in there everywhere. When I feel say bored the fear arm in again, vous pensez que les gars ont encore peur de l'armée? Mais c'est terrible. Oh, mais just you and the coin never can play. So, hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm listening to you, please. Eh?
Continue.
It was some country where the country not get better result. It was some place where result not define, my brother. We need a Paris. Oh, yeah. The one there was some place where never pass fine. Ok, next month he call. Make a tell on something. Vous pensez que ça serait facile? Vous ne voyez pas le mal venir de loin? Mais on n'est que peuple comme ça là, mon frère. On n'est que peuple. Que quelqu'un ne peut pas dire aux gens, ça va se passer mal. Ça va se passer mal. Les anglophones ne vont pas se laisser faire. Ils ne vont pas se laisser faire. Et ça va se passer mal. Pour combien de personnes, on ne sait pas. On ne sait pas ce qui va se passer. Il n'y aura que sécurité. Bon, quel genre de Coupe d'Afrique on veut organiser au Cameroun? Quel genre de Coupe d'Afrique? Who is that? Are you again? Hello?
Yeah, really. I call again. So I don't want to talk on too long.
Yeah, talk louder, please.
The truth I say, you francophone them, they don't ever deal with we. They don't show we more, they don't make we know say we don't ever deal with them because if Cameroon is in a one identity, Cameroon is indivisible. So, like the economical strike, say our brother, the military, our brother, day and night. Then you see them, they wake up every day as usual, lazy for the way they did, and they go make that beignet at the go a bouillie. To calculate all the distance et quand life continue, ou then go changer la pomme, spaghetti et haricots. Like the economical strike, they see our brother there for that side, for no just reason. They stand at once. Then you will see they can write any kind of crazy comment. So make we move the police, who believe say, even the government don't separate them, and even the train section, they don't separate them. Because if the train section, then the whole way for heart, like their brother, the way they notice separate way from them. They put on with because true c'est true. As Président say, comme c'est true, c'est l'air. Ça montre déjà que c'est pas trop. Et nous sommes vraiment les à nos nouveaux prononciations assez bien. Les fourmis, will not be important. No matter how we die, never so francophone, they know because for one town, only one strike. Say no, c'est true. 4 years, on a no record, after 10 years, ça sert à rien. Parce que on a, they don't be more than thousands of people. So it don't be needless more to talk about francophone. The more don't move the Wali.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you very much.
The Ambazonia.
Thank you.
We will stand with Ambazonia.
Thank you very much. Thank you very well. Thank you. Yes, I want to thank everybody. We don't call. We'll take another 2 calls and then we'll stop the video. Let me tell you something. I'm not doing this to quarrel with somebody. Okay? I'm just doing this to tell people what is going to happen. And I know what is going to happen. Hello?
Yeah, Willie the Parade.
This is Willie the Parade talking.
Yeah, what you maybe try to get you where that lady can get the talk, let's say, it intimidate you.
Which lady that?
But those things, and when you call that,
which lady?
Those type of lady they call, you not get for the listing their call. When they tell the people they stand for that side. When all that time when they kill that picking them from Gabu, they kill all that. It don't ever go over radio for Cameroon talk say may they stop them. Why if you say it go the intimidate an individual them? When those type of women them or French people they come, no accept me they talk. Just cut them up because it go upset your mind. You must be so radical. No. This one a war. This one that you will take a let's say you pamper somebody for Becky for get the opinion. No. You understand? Are
they listening any man? Are they listening any man your opinion?
If it not paying you, if they know what do something for you, you know go know the reaction. Then let's say when they choke needle for your heart, you they react. It come for your brain. It change your mentality. You want talk so, you know be the talk so. Last 2-3 years you be the talk are different. But the more the pains you see which way they go through. Now why you go those pains? You need to sleep. You be so traumatized. When those type of people they come, activist is somebody that is radical with the opposition. You know the pamper nobody. You need the big person you want. They come kill it all rubbish for your face for your war. If you want come turn it off, they go talk that thing for the Cameroon government. No be na Amba kill the citizen. The one way don't happen now for your own village for Moyoka Day.
Yeah.
Na Amba go kill her. Then they go intimidate people. Then now I don't call boy way did it. This one way come up Bakundu Banga way. It begin for go the chief for the Amos. Amos they tell me say na army they kill him because he know about the other chief for the.
But na army they kill him. Na army they kill him.
Then this girl will go come up for that. He's smelling dirty mouth. He go the can talk rubbish. Say may you be careful. Say everybody. Why you see which way the government they do when they don't give them that small money they chop up. They do harlot prostitution. They come keep talk rubbish. We have take it off from your war. You don't get for accept those type of things. The medical they disturb your mind. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. My one spirit. Take care of yourself. When I will listen to something, I fear nobody. And if you drive some man, that means you fear the man. You can talk what you want to talk. I have no shit to give to it. I don't fear nobody. I don't fear no man. But I want to say, it be very important. Say we'll pass sometimes the way it will be very dangerous. And you know, go be find someone who lost people the way who like them. Make any man stay for a position. Make any man stay for a position. Make any man be very careful with his personal life. Because what will happen for that country. It not go be good for talking for some newspaper. It not go be good at all. At all. If I no can tell una, who go tell una? Who go make una know say this kind of thing not be good? Who go make una know? Una feel say this government really like una tell me, make I know. This Cameroon government really like una. Hello? 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 There was some country where your internet be very, very bankalo code. Hello? You place in the same country. When are there for the same country, then they say the internet is pala for air. More go for Germany. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Talk. My phone don't broke self. Where? Life. I broke the phone. Are you listening, my brother?
Yes, I want to tell people there for Ground Zero to say information in the past say government it go set up some issue for put up Amazonia their head. It go set up attack them for even for foreign players them so that it will use that one like an opportunity to attack Amazonia them. So anybody they go for fee, it go find itself for that trap. Now you know the government be very desperate, it don't lose the war, so it will find all means we go commit atrocity for attack and for Amazonia, them simply put them as terrorists. So Amazon they go fight, they go attack army, but government go commit massacre. If he go at the level for even burn fields them, so that they go see talk say Amazon be terrorist group. So any man will go for fee, na you know. So any man for house watch ball for television. People would like ball because for this stage for war, not only fool if you go put yourself inside that crossfire. And with the government who will know that there are footprints in that. So
that is it.
Yes, now my own information, and that this information be very credible. That it leak out of information, and that people where they don't say tell people them for safe life because the government is planning evil. The Cameroon government, yeah. Okay, that's what I want to talk.
Thank you very much, my brother. It be very important because now our duty for protect our civilian them, because we don't get people there to protect them, because the government be unable for protect our civilian. So we there for the position for tell them, say we be very careful. I don't want to cry for them like this because of football, because of people their interest. Maybe nothing building road for Southwest. Maybe na he go make and say make they can put road where they come from Kumba go Bonge, go Ikono Titi. No that thing. I don't want to cry for you. I don't want to cry. I don't over cry. My heart, they pain me very, 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 very much. So make una be very careful. I beg una beg up again. Make no man not try say they come up. Make they can fool now. Make they can fool now. Make una come up. Make they go take una like a robot them. Put them for in front. Make they can do their politics. No. No. They never fix the problem. Make they not fix them. Make they not come betray my own people. I will never be against my own people. Never. Listen to me. I will never be again. They call me every day for corrupt me. I will never be again. The age where they now so I for protect my land. To give the best of what I can give before I leave this world. If I like I do everything like Jackass, I not still get 40 years of this life. If like I go up, come down, I get 40 years of this life. If you don't know it, take it. Not because they say you want a different world. You know if you get different world a part of this one. Our life now will go. We'll get a one city. We'll get a one country. We will be very careful. Very careful. They will come. Let when I come out. Party as long as they will come talk baby grammar there for here. This country, you need the pass time for this country. We na region need pass fine. Hello? Hello? Some country the way the internet need pass fine. The internet need pass fine. The neighbor for Cameroon. The one a neighbor for Cameroon. They're gonna stupid internet them. My brother, when I go live for talk anything against me, I no hate no man. I like all now. I like everybody. But and if it done for you, make something go happen. And if you drink, and if you chop, and if you I get high tension for you because of what will go happen. I get to can't tell when I say something is going to happen. Abuna brother, Abuna picking, something is going to happen. When I want challenge when I own brother, something is going to happen. You can never challenge your own self. If you challenge your own self, you get it. Yes. And I know, say this guy them, upon all the years where they die, where they feel this pain, they go live for do the last revenge of the Indian dog. Which will happen? Yes, hello?
Alright, y'all, next.
Stop the another phone. Stop the another phone. Stop the another phone. Speak, they are listening to you. Oh, now can't come to this. But I go to be in an African country. Now you call, now they put different phone. When I want call, when you do call, slow volume for your another phone. Make they listen the volume. Make they listen at you when you talk. It'll be very normal. Oh. Man will smoke how. Man will smoke how. Upon all the pain, all the feeling for your body, man go small how. What your man go do? What your man go do? What your man go do? Now man fight this thing. Now man start this problem. Now man start this problem. Now man start this problem. Problem can't happen. Meet up with. What you want to do? What problem can't start meet up. What you want to do? Moko no advice on people them. Moko she don't quiet. When I go talk say hey. Moko she don't quiet. Me they can't kill what people them. Now they don't come from Muyuka. Kill from Muyuka. Una on live na so na accuse Amba boys them. Hello, this country na last time I take una because bless una internet no good. Hello. 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 Oh lord, these people they get problem for this country. But anyhow it dey. I want just tell una this story because I don't make 1 hour 30. I know life will make again 2 hours for live show. So make I tell una say I want pass and for una. And I want tell una say una be very careful with una very life, una jail lives. They want for take una, they want for manage their politics. They want for use their politics take enter inside una. Una must be very wise. Because now una be at the risk point. Una don't risk una don't struggle go Nigeria. Make no fool una. Una will come back and do it. The one day they die, none of come on the day. The one day they die, none of come on the day. What did they don't do for protect them? Wait, so now you wait for Nigeria to come back. You will come back for your country, maybe they can't kill you. After I kill they say, why I come back safe? Should be very careful. Things are not good in our side. Things are not really good. We get to put our hands together for someone to pray. Meeting the work are fine. And wait till you come for Cameroon now. They want to take a international world. Now who they call me for? Hello.
Yeah, hello, Willie de Paris.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, I salute you. I don't hear all to the top. Me say me are picking for ground zero. And to all the trade happen. Me it happen for my info. I don't witness all thing. For instance, 50 how many years we Cameroon government marginalized we. It's just say no love free. They don't like me because my own brother they don't die. So it make me now I be every day for run. I won't go for outside, you know waka. I come back, you know waka. I will still run again. So what you man go do? Man go kill himself. So every trade they have to say for Cameroon way, match day for every play. Me I look I see other thing are politics. Because every placard the way it shows say the whole big country like Cameroon, giant of Africa for football. Who knows say Cameroon a big country for football. They history. 5 African Nation Cup. They look how the country they football at tomorrow they start. The work I need see placard the street of Yaoundé. But we are saying not at all. They say Cameroon one are indivisible. Who's one are indivisible? Now 2 separate countries. They clear. All the picking for now for history because history they don't wipe history for Cameroon. But now we don't know all the history. So not small people know Cameroon know the history for Cameroon.
That is true.
So all those things we don't go for school, but they try for like turn we the Frenchman in own system for study Englishman own system are 2 different systems. Europe man, that's why man they the camp we instead of coronavirus, all these kinds of things happen say for the way we see and say no, come on all in them na politics, all in only go na back. It didn't say they act na film. Then they got plan now for open way almost and people they die. Every chief for my 14th Dibanda just a recent Joe Berry on the 9th of January. Before I claim my 14 before I enter my 16. The Amber boy they say there's no Amber boy they kill I know the Amber boy them. But they give go for the kill different people them. Shoot different people. Now my village I run them. I run a Willie de Paris. I therefore outside so but I come on my eye. I'm one of the refugees don't kind me at the suffer. I don't can't find myself in Algeria. Arab man it toast with all kinds of stuff. So therefore don't you confused. We don't go back to country. If you are there now so I use my Cameroon WhatsApp. Willie de Paris. I did also what I come on my eye. I follow you for Facebook. I don't take your number. I say no my call. Maybe the way here we say no English Cameroon they cry. Yes. English Cameroon they cry. Now 2 different countries that but if you go today look and clear. You see, I say, we're rich for town of Libya, town of friendship. They clean prop. Like different 2 states in that.
Thank
they
you,
get 2 stars.
Thank you.
They clear.
Thank you, my brother.
So, Frenchman, what tells you where to go for here? Well, I do it open. You tell how we say, they say special statute. Man, if you get 2 eyes, you got to get eyeglass, give me away. I want to can do it today. We don't pass that type of singer. That type of slave trade. We don't pass them.
Thank you.
The way they advance so fastly. To happen for America. We see them.
Thank you very much.
The way now one change, why I want white black people say because they usually Africa they get a nana. then they get population when I youth them, and the youth they go in development very, very fast. We say as a time we have when Africa control the way, the one leaders a Kiwi.
Thank
One
you.
leaders a Kiwi will lead the Paris.
Thank you plenty.
My brother, I get plenty there, but talking now only me one different people you see talk again, but one love, one spirit will lead the Paris.
Take care of yourself. The play where you did. May God protect you. Hallelujah. So that is that. Je suis le leader de la 3e génération. Winyate oboboro ondiko. Batobi chama wakari kuzwa ende mamao. Neke uremba obobura ondiko iya. Bondo uremba o. Mokundu. Bondo ni uremba o. Bondo ni uremba o. Mokundu. Bondo ni uremba o. Mama e. Uremba. Mobobo kizemboka e. I could take this man. You don't call a long time. Hello.
Good afternoon, Grand Willie.
All my perica them for our side. I salute to now.
Wow, Grand. For the salute you, Grand.
Yes.
Grand, see, that my other boy, I just finished talk now, so the talk. You don't talk at all.
Yeah, I get you.
All will be victim of circumstances. Me now, so I be refugee now for Morocco. He de Algeria, me I de Morocco now for. We dey with the struggle, with the CRC way, but the toast we bet. We no dey better for you, better toast me for you. I will say better toast me for that side.
Not true, my perica.
Cameroon dey for Kiwi, now for Kiwi na kill am.
Thank you, perica.
Yes. Me I be Kumba Pikin, but
may God bless you. May God bless
yes.
you.
But we did all we don't run because they don't want to see we, they don't want to see any young boy. Frenchman not ever be wapanda for life. We not ever share anything with them. Even for you, I need share nothing with any Frenchman.
Well,
I did my own different.
See what
yes.
See what you
now let's say our prayer and I say may God just make we more to be our own self. May God give we our own freedom.
God,
yeah, and our prayer that we will the prayer for her. If it today God give us freedom, we will go back all we for our land.
God
all will go back for us.
God go hear our prayer. God go hear our prayer. I would say
amen. 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 Are you too?
Yeah, no, amen. Thank you very much. And I don't listen there.
And you too, may God keep you. May God keep you. May God keep you for you. May God keep you so you particularly you are struggle.
Thank
all the remaining activities, the way they meet forward, they get straight forward for this struggle.
Thank you.
I will pray and say, yeah, may the struggle make us finish. May all we go back home.
Thank
because
you.
Don't miss home plenty.
Thank you.
Don't miss home plenty.
You don't talk everything.
Don't miss home.
So now one day.
Yeah,
thank you very much.
Now one day, with the year, as you talk, one day, God go answer our prayer.
Thank you.
Yes.
My brother, you don't come back again. Make I take you. You don't come back again, Papa. See what you know.
Yeah, Grand Willie.
Yes.
My brother, you know, say, you know how many viewers they watch you.
Yeah.
I think, say, this week, before that, Nation, whether na Nation Cup or an International Cup, where Atanganji, they play politics or that Southern Cameroon. You yourself, you did for this, so whether you did in Belgium, you did in Italy, you did outside, you're hungry. And no, you're hungry. Only for go see me, go see your hometown, you go be heroes as usual.
But naturally now, in my country now, I began to be, it's got to be for here now, so we tournament, they for down ground. Now people like we say they want for see and for day, but you go for outside.
Willie, you didn't talk people like Joe Bassame, then they begin for the play for national team when they are country boy or rocker boy. Those people, they wave them. Valentine them, they wave them. They don't if you play for national team. If Tato Steven play for national team now force, now because of General Tato, Deep Akem go national team because of General Tato Steven. Those people, where they call them francophone, where they don't colonize their mentality for food, for chop and sleep, when they don't know what to be progress, they don't know development. What you may have try for tell you, I will tell you today. These few days and way before this thing, I would like maybe to come online every day for talk for your small brother them and for your small sister them, for the youth, because you be star, they know you. You get followers the way they follow you. if I for can sensitize them, make them understand what is going on, because that grandstand, that Victoria and Boya, it not be safe now. May they not take political, as you don't talk, say they will take political issue, but turn them as what they are telling they do. Because if they want to end this thing, the prime minister, they know what way they go on. They know. Now for them, they do the harvest. They take their money, they suck people their blood, attach you all these people young them. All they know which way they go on. You understand? They don't want to stop this thing. They don't want to push, and they don't get no say again. They just play the politics for people their life. Because they for need for the terrorist people, they may they not go feel, because that boy they don't be wounded. That guys they know they laugh. That guys they laugh. Even the driver, the way they disobey, Okada guys, as they don't talk say lockdown day. From that day, we don't talk say lockdown day. Make any man stay for a house in a bread or water. You don't feel die for 1 week. We don't pass the 2 days. We don't die. Then you know we die in 1 week. Make man no come out. Army they now the restoration force they don't pass the army. They don't confuse. See what you don't happen for Mabutu just few days ago. Make picking the beef for house. Make mommy no send picking for school.
I don't talk my own. I don't talk my own.
They don't go school. They don't go PhD. Don't be okay, brother. The way they get PhD, they for here. And they see the other one way they write. When they put list for PhD. This thing there. No Anglophone no go inside. No Saudi Cameroonian. They scrutinize all them. No PhD guy where don't study out. They put it for that list. They remove everything. They think that only people they don't really separate their country. They don't really separate. They make a move. No, they just fight a lost battle. They don't really separate Saudi Cameroon, and they know say will not ever accept. And the one just feel we totally that the Frenchman system that thing that they do now operation clean up. They want just clean we up. No, they know say they will not ever accept. What did they get for do? They get for just destroy me for the last man. So that made them know say before one start back it will take years. But they know say God don't bless that land. That land, even without the structure, will be down, jam chop for chop. Now the problem that God don't bless with. If you have other mineral resources, the land don't be blessed with food. Or if you go inside bush, if you chop guava, you go, if you chop orange, if you chop mango, the land be blessed.
That is it.
Mineral there. You understand? When they leave we, no go we. When they leave we, if they get away for dig that sonara, they dig that mineral for econotiti, may they dig and carry and go for their side. Then leave land more day with day will be chop guava and cocoa. What will be the problem for this world?
Awesome. God. Thank you plenty, my brother. Thank you.
You go to kill all human being, let's say na fowl, the chicken, they do Christmas.
My
you
brother.
don't go see picking that picking for 1 year or something. That picking don't do waiting. They shoot them for waiting. If that people they get soul, they get human feeling. If look, wait way you did one, it will come back for you. What than how many years? Your own picking says now other man go shoot and kill them. As those army they keep people there. So this the way they call an minister on order, the minister of the so-called that colonized system don't enter them. When there was some person go tell you go kill somebody, you go kill her. You the kill a fowl, you the kill a goat. Come on. You know how you go feel, you go sleep in your house, how you the think. Look now, American army they go now, so they confess which way the government they send them, they go, they don't be no say they go kill her. That block for them, don't climb for them. They confess now online. If you look at for social media, they confess. And most of them, now you see they cause suicide. Because all those Cameroon military, they must cause suicide. Then since they will harm, or they will kill their own self. If they don't kill themselves, they will kill their family. Maybe they say they will go free. Okay.
Okay, Papa.
Really, thank you.
Thank you very much. Well, people then too much for call. Hello?
Hello, Grand Willie.
Yes, now Grand Willie this. All pedicard and for all kinds side.
Elijah friend. So small contribution to the one
Talk louder.
I say I like their platform because the element the air mind. You're not there for criticize someone.
Talk, Petit Frere, you must talk.
The two way I want to talk and I say we no need for the condemn only like public. You understand? Because the way I'm back for it, we all know very well. Like public not for the camp for territory to the key, my big kill and then we were all brother the way they give us protecting you. Then you go kidnapping for ransom, all that kind of thing.
Noise day for your back, noise day for your back, noise day for your back. You don't play with noise day, then you listening.
Okay, you get me now, sir? Hello?
Yes, now they feel listening you.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. I say this struggle, this is a struggle where all we Anglophone we love the struggle and we get to stand as one. Then the two way we need to do, that's what it is. We need to understand, say, no need to play only like because the Republic and not the enter our territory, the few and mommy were father, small brother there. Then the people, the way they claim, say they protect me, when the Amber boys, they kidnap our young girls, they ask ransom. Key people, they say, a black leg without any concrete investigation. One talk, no look, the woman where they kill her for Luka, where they cut the leg for broad daylight. Even Capo Daniel says they can't talk him. See that woman who been a black leg, say they mean that mistake to kill that woman. Where they need to do a proper investigation. But struggle this way, everybody, no angle.
But you make investigation for no saying Amber boys and kid again. Well, you never do Cameroon.
We get we talk to one thing, boss. We get people the way activities like for example, we get Capo Daniel, we get Eric Tato, we get Mark Barato, we get Kapang Ivo.
Na den tose na Amber boys and kid again.
Yeah, they confirm General Charger, not the Charger. General Charger for Asuna Mountain Lion or something like that. So more be precise, more know the make what people they made a lost confidence for me. Because now they don't fight as the way they would start. Say one map, let me say they don't make the population they get
place where you fair day, noise over day, periphery. When you want look at when you get something serious or talk. You be for place where noise no. You never be for that music. You call the make call. You not get no. I need every listing you. You not get no nonsense. When I stop for the accused people, them go left and go right. Okay. When I know what it mean for fight some war where we are not be ready. It bring misunderstanding and misorganization. So I need to accuse no man. What I say when I'm my brother and my sisters, them any man get the part for do. Make before one man die, we don't do our best. If you sit down for your room, we not call your own picking, then your own brother them say, "Una sit down for house." Before if they come out on table for them, make you know accuse yourself. Make you know say if you do your own part, you go accuse you go risk for your eye. You get right for do your own part. You were there for outside, you were there for America, you were there for England, you were there for Europe, you were there for every part of this world. You get to call ground zero. Make any man waking like a life. Okada people them. Now where they target you now. Make una come out the carry people them go all kind of side. After when they kill now, they can't make their propaganda for politics. And they tell them about them. If you not come out when they say goes down, when they say lockdown, you not go lose your life, my brother. Not vex people the way they don't vex. You not get called to fight. No say your brother ready for back. If you fight for 2 days. A word to a word is sufficient. I'm not going to talk plenty because I don't want to talk. I will stop this call now because I want for me 1 hour 30. I don't go for 1 hour 36. So 1 hour 37. I'm going to stop and so for today. May the message go through. May any man listen to me very carefully. Okay? Are you Padi Asanga? Shut up your mop. Cover your dirty mop. Your toilet. Cover your mop. Stop speaking rubbish because you just want to accuse. You just hate the Amber boys. Stop speaking rubbish. You don't be forced to love them. And sometimes you don't be forced to love them if you should not too quiet. Okay? Thank you very much. It was your boy, Amber boy. I be tell when I say one day I will be Boya. One day I will enter the stadium of Boya. One day I will give. I will take away some. I will take this call because the call since. The call since and you want talk since. Hello?
Hello, Grant.
Yeah,
Good
hello?
Yes, good afternoon, Grand Willie.
Good afternoon, how are you?
Fine, I read my stylist for your own day. Meshach is small boy.
Oh, my Pekin. Well, my Perica. Now for you. How for Meshach? That is fine. I will be Cote d'Ivoire maybe sometime, maybe inside some few months I'll be Cote d'Ivoire. I get to come to my cliff for Cote d'Ivoire. So tell me.
I know lie you. I've been very, very happy with what you don't come online in
Talk for corner phone. Talk for corner your phone. You talk far.
Yes, La Republic are very dangerous people. Then see this way to what happen. So that cafe where they will go feast, they will go watch ball. So they go find all for key so many of our brother for day for show the international ways in the Amber boy they can do. So any place where they go watch match, any day we match for that fee, me count itself like a in short. I'm sure I don't know where to have it talk. So, Grant, I just use the opportunity to thank you for which way to try to sensitize our people. Them.
I don't get a number. Just write me inbox. Write me, and then I will call you after. You know.
After the show.
Okay. Now one spirit, take care.
No give up a beg. Try to make our people they know. So now you was on star way. You try to make our people they know it will happen because they will kill so many youth them that feed that day. And they will bring their army. They shoot people them. So that means they toxin the amber they can't do. They paint with black for international wear. So Grant, no relent your effort. Every day you can online. Move sensitize them a beg.
As soon as I don't give me the right to my account online every day. I go the can online every day until it finish. Make any man know. I will give my blood to let the population free. I've decided it. Okay, take care, Perika. As now the same I can line every day. I will the can line every day. Probably not there. I go do one for now. But for the moment, some Monday we the call for Bon, you don't finish. I feel just tell una say the one make una come out for outside. Make una come out. After they go do their cinema with una. Then they go one man and say me they know say Amber Boys they kill. Una open una ear fine when I talk. Make it enter inside, make it not come out. Una open una ear fine when I talk, make it enter and not come out. Because when it happen, make it not talk, say we the pioneer be talk. Okay? Now one day, now God now go decide for the problem we get down. Now one day, now God now go answer our prayer. Now one day, now God now go give we which we will fight down. Now one day, now God now go reconcile all we will hate ourselves left and right. Now just one day. Because that one day, when that day will reach, it will be like that bell where they ring for church any Sunday very early in the morning. Now one day, and just one day, and when that day will reach, God go hear our prayer. And when that day go happen, God go answer our prayer. And when that day go call, God go listen what you want to. God go no say, now the day be this. And when that day go reach, we the party will be among you to sing you this song. When they take injustice, they can make justice. You must resist. You must resist. That's life.
When injustice becomes law, resistance becomes a duty. One day, God go hear one prayer. One day, God go hear one prayer. I say one day, God go hear one prayer.
One day, God go hear one prayer. Una dey for bush una no get chop that you una just pray God go hear our prayer. Begin the go school the day is a bush that you make we just pray God go hear our prayer. Sing with me. One day God go hear our prayer. One day God go hear our prayer. I say one day mama God go hear our prayer. See you when the London the Mona is a bush, daddy. Oh, because the big school, mama. We didn't cry, we are go cry again, no, daddy. Make it down. I say one day. Somebody down one day, oh mama. I say, so painful for seeing one brother they kill another brother. Oh, the general don't kill yourself again. this is not my life. Let God hear this prayer. One day we shall be there. Begin the day for bush, they don't get water, oh, that you, then this is go. God go hear one prayer. We'll not get out them. They don't born one them that you make you just pray. Oh, hello? God go hear one prayer. See me. Yes. You want participate? I know. You want participate? Yes. One day I will stop the show. They might give you your 2 minutes, may you talk. Papa, you say waiting on my brother.
Okay. Yes. I want you to tell you say would you tell you say me who put more courage, would they for your back any way they now we there for inside would see always where the pass. Yes, because
are they listening you?
Yeah, because when the pass we saw the look as any day would never cry. So I do my people the way they did like a fan club them. I the mostly give them your info. Anytime we want come online, I make them know all man just come to my place. So we greet you. We not really get we not take much of your time, but I want you to make you know so the way you.
Thank you now.
So, yes, more grace to your elbows.
Thank you very much.
You must succeed. Whether they like or not, we will succeed.
Well, I feel them. Thank you, my brother. Yes. Take care. Take care. Oh, man. No, maybe I'll cry.
I greet you, Papa. I play turn up.
Salute, my brother. Now for you, eh?
Thank God, oh, thank God. I don't follow your show. We talk and fine. Yes, Victory very well. We only come to again. We talk. Yes, we only want to phone our Tori. They go live in our breeze. We town, but they don't know. Yes, we see them, they don't see we. They drive with them up. They don't feel chewy. So now wait till I me can tell you say I say the talk and I say be. Yes, I say the talk and so I say be. And may God bless you, continue to bless you for the effort they put down. I be the only artist. For all the other artists them they make me that they are not they speaking them. I think they say picking because they don't want to reach you. Because me I start hear you from a small. Yes, from small picking one day. Start hear you.
Thank you.
Baron Pekin.
You Baron Pekin.
So yes, Papa.
Okay.
Baron, yeah, Rocco.
Yeah.
So I wise you.
Thank you.
So I really enjoy your work, and I really be glad to grand friend me and know him. But I didn't call you Sipa because from time I know you have been a small picking.
Yeah, because I grew for Barombi, yeah.
Nah, you don't stand. We are own people then. I may say to true grand, you play turn up.
Thank you very much.
Yes, I play turn up. Yes, and we do the promise. Yes, we do the promise. We do we for do. We no go to read with you.
Now so now always so now take care of yourself. May God bless you now. May God protect you now. May God give you now more courage. Thank you very much.
Thank you too. Thank you too for what you do.
Thank you very much.
They say with the smell the only year was me how pass. So now we see that we can't say me push forward, continue what you do. And God your back, your place day.
Thank you very well. Now take care.
Yeah. Thank you too. Bye bye.
I feel bad, but anyhow we did. It's your boy, Willie the Party. We'll surely meet. Take care.